Here's some artisan bread making trivia. Subscribe. What is the main byproduct of yeast respiration? Is it A, nitrogen, B, oxygen, C, carbon dioxide, or D, ethanol? The correct answer is C, carbon dioxide. What is added to enhance the flavor profile of bread? Is it A, baking soda, B, salt, C, water, or D, sugar? The correct answer is B, salt. Which bread is famous for its chewy texture? Is it A, baguette, B, sourdough, C, bagel, or D, focaccia? The correct answer is C, bagel. What is the main purpose of incorporating fats in dough? Is it A, crispiness, B, structure, C, tenderness, or D, sweetness? The correct answer is C, tenderness. Which tool is essential for measuring dough temperature? Is it A, scale, B, thermometer, C, ruler, or D, stopwatch? The correct answer is B, thermometer. What is the term for the outer layer of baked bread? Is it A, loaf, B, dough, C, crust, or D, crumb? The correct answer is C, crust. Which bread is often served with Indian curries? Is it A, ciabatta, B, baguette, C, naan, or D, tortilla? The correct answer is C, naan. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.